Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Selenium MCP plus Cloud AI. So QA automation and QA industry are evolving with AI. So this is the modern automation, and we should learn the modern automation skills day by day. So this is one. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the fully Selenium MCP plus Cloud AI, and so we are using the LLM Cloud AI for this purpose. So Selenium MCP is supported by Cloud AI now. So for now, no other LLM like ChatGPT or any other thing. So it will be very easy. Okay. So then, what is MCP and why it matters, and set up an integration. So we are going to do a demo. Okay, I'll give the demo to you step by step. And about the demo workflow, so I will take any one scenario, and I'll give the demo how to do using Selenium MCP, and without any code, without any Python code or Java code. We are not going to write any test scripts, and we are not going to write any locators. Okay, it will be very easy. We are just going to give the simple prompts. Okay, in natural language, in simple English language, we are going to do. Okay. So before that, briefly automate browsers with natural language and real-time context. Okay. So what is the purpose? Our purpose: automate the browsers. Okay. So previously, uh, we should create the test frameworks, TestNG framework or Cucumber framework, robot framework. Many frameworks are there in industry. Okay. So after AI, just put the natural language only, just the prompts only, like open browser, go to that website, go to that application, click that button, accomplish that task flow. So like that, in simple English only, we are going to do. And what is MCP? MCP is Model Context Protocol. Is a language bridge between which between AI Claude and browser automation Selenium. So which LLM we are using in this for this purpose? Claude. And browser automation, which tool we are going to integrate? Selenium. We are not going to write any Python script or JavaScript. We are going to just put the instruction only, okay, to our LLM, and our LLM Cloud AI will integrate with AI agents and MCP, okay, Model Contest Protocol MCP server. So our MCP will trigger the Selenium scripts to browser. Will trigger the Selenium. Okay. So MCP server is backend, it's not visible. The agent is not visible. So Selenium, it's not visible. So using our LLM only, using Cloud AI only, we are going to automate. It will be very simple. First, Cloud will interpret. Okay, will interpret and trigger the Selenium code. So in which form? JSON. It lets you send JSON commands like start browser, navigate, click element, send keys, take screenshot. The crucial, the very important test steps, in test automation. So it will use as a JSON commands, start browser, navigate. Okay. So why it matters? Speak, don't code. Run browser tests with natural language. And so in this, we are not going to write any scripts. Just to speak or just to type. Okay. So in LLM, that the recording feature is also available. Just speaking the instruction like open Chrome, launch the Google page, and search the Selenium tutorial. So like that we can speak, or like that we can type. Okay. So by this rapid test creation, instant debugging, ideal for both QA and non-tech users. So as a QA lead, uh, we can create the test automation very quickly by the Selenium MCP plus Cloud AI. Okay, we are not going to sit hourly manner and instant debugging. If there are any error, means Cloud AI will give the error plus fix suggestion very instantly. So that's instant debugging. So ideal for both QA, not only the QA but also non-tech users, the business analyst. Okay, all other those, and manual testers also, if they are not well versed with automation. So they can also do very well in this Selenium MCP plus Cloud AI, just giving the simple instructions like just natural language commands, manual test cases. So we can do the automation. The first one is GitHub. So Angie Jones, the popular developer, has developed this MCP Selenium. Go to Google and search by Selenium MCP. You can search the first link. It's the official GitHub link. Okay, this one MCP Selenium. You can see all the codes, and you can read here in README section. And this is the video demo. She is Angie. So she has put on a short video. You can refer in your free time. So the features, what are the very important features and test steps we are doing in our functional automation? Start browser, navigate, finding elements using various locator strategies, click, type, and interact with elements, and perform mouse actions also, whatever, drag and drop, handle keyboard inputs, enter, so all those things, and taking screenshot, uploading files. It will also support headless mode also. Okay, but in supported browsers, for now Chrome and Firefox only is supported. For now it is not supported. In this demo we are going to do with Cloud AI only, not Goose. Cloud AI will be very easy. Okay, let's see. So next, install Node. Check the version. So Node is must because MCP connectors are working with Node only. Is must. Why Node is must? MCP connectors is working with Node only in background. Okay. In Google, if you haven't downloaded Node, means just search Node download. So in this node.js page, you can download this. Okay. So I have already done. I have already downloaded Node hyphen version. So you can see I have already installed the version 20.9.0. And next, download Cloud AI desktop. So desktop version of our LLM Cloud AI should be downloaded. So right now I'm going to download it. In the official website you can download for Windows. Okay, it's downloaded. I'm just opening it. So what's the next step? After downloaded Cloud AI, so configuring Cloud Desktop config.json. So in the Cloud AI configuration file, we have to update. Why we have to update? So we need to tell Cloud AI to do the Selenium automation on behalf of us. We are going to update the configuration file. So which piece we need to copy and paste? So this one, used with other MCP clients, example Cloud Desktop. You see, right? So this JSON piece, MCP servers, Selenium. If we give the browser related automation related instruction, Cloud will know to push the Selenium MCP to initiate the Selenium automation. Okay. So arguments. So just copy, go to file, settings, developer. So in this feature, we are going to mention the Selenium. So edit config. So it will directly redirect it to Cloud Desktop config.json. Just open it using any IDE. So for now, I'm using Visual Studio Code to edit that file. Just deleting the existing one, just pasting the new one. Okay. So I'm just saving and closing this file. To reflect the changes, we need to close the Cloud AI. Okay. Properly close, file, exit. Just refresh it. Okay. You can see the changes here. And again, relaunch the Cloud AI. So verify that developer. You can see, right, the Selenium developer feature is installed. Okay, Selenium is running in background. So whenever we are giving the instruction related to the automation, like a launch browser, go to that URL, go to that thing, finish the task, like those instruction. Whenever we are giving, Claude will realize that it should initiate this Selenium MCP. Okay, so we have successfully installed. The next one is, yeah, that one we have already copied and pasted and exit the Claude AI desktop to reflect the updates. Okay. So demo workflow. Which workflow we are going to do? Just use the English prompts in Claude. The first step is start Chrome and navigate to https www.amazon.in. Okay. Start Chrome and navigate to https www.amazon.in. Okay. Now the magic is happening. See, start browser, the JSON commands the Claude AI is triggering. You can see without any Selenium IDE, Eclipse, or IntelliJ or anything, without any test automation framework, without any test script. Just I'm giving the simple instruction, plain English instruction. I can run the test step. But at the same time, there are some restriction in Selenium MCP. Some tasks, some functions cannot be done for now in Selenium MCP, like maximizing the browser. Just I will put the separate video on the what can be done, what cannot be done. Okay. So yeah, the next step is search Valentine miniature in search box and click the first result. So I'm just copy paste for the. So I'm just copying and pasting all the test steps for time being. Okay. So in the same session, it will do. Okay. The automation steps would be occurred in the same session. Search Valentine miniature in search box and click the first result, and then find add to cart and click asset that added to cart text is shown, and then finally take screenshot and close session. Okay, this is the simple test step, simple test scenario. So what did really happen? Let's see. Okay, in that same session, see, in search box, my cursor is down. So in search box, Valentine miniature is typed. So the next is search icon will be clicked. So in Claude, in runtime, you can see if any test steps failed means Claude AI will try with another approach. If that failed also, it will try with another approach. That's the beauty of this Claude AI plus Selenium MCP automation. So it will give the suggestion. If one step is failed means it will give the another try and another try. Okay, until this test step succeeded. This is very important. So you can see the search results, and after that the first search result is clicked according to our instruction. Okay, the next add to cart should be clicked, right? Yeah, that operation also done. So the final step is before closing the session, I have inserted the assertion, right? This added to cart text should be shown. Let me try the different selector to find the confirmation text. Yeah, that step is happening here. If there is one step failed, it will try with another step, with another locator. So like this, try. Okay, with different approaches, it tries. So I have the free plan version only, Claudia. So that's why this conversation has reached its maximum length it shows. Okay, just ignore that. Okay, if you have a premium version, it will be very feasible and you can do very easily. AI can be generate the code also. So what will be my next instruction? Generate the full Selenium scripts for those test steps. Okay, generate yeah. After steps, generate Java Selenium test engine script for this. I'm just copying and pasting. So I'm just asking particularly. You can say the full framework is being generated. You can just copy and paste in your ID or Eclipse or anything. So in that Eclipse, you can create the corresponding folders and you can create the successful framework by just copying and pasting, by analyzing all those things are correct or not. Okay, you should do that also. Successfully, all test scripts are generated. So after steps, generate Java Selenium test engine script for this. I'm just giving this prompt. So Claude auto generates complete test engine code ready to run in Eclipse. We are going to just copy and paste. Okay. Generate modern HTML test reports. So what can we do to generate the modern HTML test report? It will also be very simple. Just giving the clear prompt. Okay, seamless continuation of the workflow with polished output. Run your test scenario, login or add to cart. This. So ask Claude, generate a modern HTML test report with screenshots, timestamps, pass file statuses. Okay, we can customize it. What do you want in your test report? I'm just going to copy and paste this instruction in Claude. Okay, I'm just entering. You can see the HTML scripts are being generated. So finally, after fully generated, it will show the HTML UI file. Okay, please wait until it's fully generated. The HTML test reports is being generated. See the beautiful UI HTML report. You can see test execution report, automated tester should results build. Just the example build number 24 total test is. Yeah, the report you are looking now is just a sample HTML report, because in prompt what I have put, you can see modern HTML test report with screenshots, timestamps, pass fail statuses, right? This is not for what we have executed test steps. So you can see the total test is passed, failed, skipped for sample. All passed, failed, skipped, you can just filter by those. So you can see the timestamps also and the successful status, passed or failed or skipped. Okay. So in this drop down, you can see the error, console messages. So all those things you can see. So Claude builds report.html includes shoot overview, pass file statuses, embedded screenshots. The screenshots also will be there in HTML report, timestamps and duration. Okay. So the next, why HTML reports always rocks. Professional and visually compelling screenshots next to results is debugging. So instant deliverables ideal for sharing with stakeholders. Okay, so apart from the Excel reports, on HTML reports will always be recommended by our clients. What we have done, demo flow summary is English automation prompts in Cloud, browser opens, steps run, screenshot captured, Cloud generate HTML report. In open report.html live explore results. You can just download as HTML in your folder and you can just open it. Okay, as a separate HTML report. So in my next videos, I will put about the AI related QA concepts. Yeah, thanks for watching.